Okay, so in column we have discussed manhole, feed nozzle, okay, top nozzles, then we have discussed bottom nozzles, and there will be some instrument connections also, where instruments like pressure gauges, okay, thermowell, thermocouple, all these temperature gauges will be required. So how we can orient these nozzles? What is the layout requirement, accessibility requirement? Based on that only we can orient these nozzles. Temperature and pressure instrument connections are located throughout the tower. Okay, instrumentation and process is looking for temperature, pressures at various section of the column. So there will be many such connections where instrument will be hanging. So temperature probe must be in liquid space. Okay, and the pressure connection in vapor space. Okay, although this is the general criteria, this all elevations will be given by process with consultation process, and mechanical will be consulting with vendor while fixing the elevation of all these trays, and accordingly these nozzle elevation will be decided. On the layout requirement is we have to provide the access through ladders. Okay, all the instruments shall be accessed through ladders only. We don't provide permanent access to these instruments. Okay, if permanent platform is already available, then it is okay, but we don't provide specially for these type of instruments. Clearance of temperature probe with downcomer wall should be checked while orienting the temperature instrument. Now suppose we are talking about this one. Okay, we have oriented this nozzle here, the liquid section. Okay, and when we are inserting this thermowell inside the nozzle, it should not hit the downcomer. Okay, if the length of thermowell is more, then we should reorient to somewhere here to get some clearance between thermowell and this downcomer weir. Okay, this much only we have to take care, and we have to reorient. Sometimes we have to reorient at very later stage when vendor confirms the height and length and width of these internals. But these things should be taken care. We cannot skip.
So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.